Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode. This is Steven. This is the Under 1000 group build final reveal of my Chuck E. Cheese van. This van was built off the Coca-Cola van, and I themed it to Chuck E. Cheese's Pizza Time Theater. Pizza Time Theater was founded by Arlen Bushnell, the founder of Atari, so I've used that as an influence for this build as well. Arlen Bushnell wanted a place where families could enjoy fun family time while getting good food. And he based his ideas on, something he wanted to do as he was a young adult was work for Disney. So he featured animatronic characters and live in-store costume characters. So let's get into looking at exactly what I did for this build. I took the Coca-Cola van, and the first modification I made was cutting the door open on the side. This, I think it worked out really well. I was scared when I was doing it because if it didn't, I just ruined probably close to a $30 model kit. But here I'm applying the extreme lacquer by Testors in red and black. Nice gloss. The black's almost a charcoal finish, but I really like the color combination, the way they worked well together. Here's a look at that door that I cut open. And the first placement of my custom decal for the side logo. Here's some other logos that I did, on this side. Now we'll take a look at the completed build. On the hood, I have the Chuck E. Cheese Pizza Time Theater logo. And at the side, again, the Pizza Time Theater logo. Really, this is a good kit, but there is such fitment issues. I heard it about other Coca-Cola product kits, and, here's a look at my tribute to Nolan Bushnell with the 1977 license plate and the Atari logo on the back. And my Pizza Time Theater logo of Chuck E. Cheese and what the business stood for, pizza, fun, and games. Now, we'll take a look at the engine compartment. Really not much to see there. With a van, the engine's pretty much hidden. But, I went ahead and did just a little bit of detailing with color just so you could say, hey, there's an engine in there. So we'll get another roundabout look. So here's a look at the bottom. Just basic detailing. I did nothing special there. I guess my biggest area of customization was the door. And I used magnets, earth magnets, to help hold the door in place. So I'll show how that works here. Just pull the door off. I have a magnet up at the top. You can see I did the wallpaper of all the Pizza Time character. Jasper T. Jowls, Pasquale the Chef, Chuck E. Cheese, Helen Henny, and Mr. Munch is in the back corner there. So I put some magnets on the inside to help hold the door in the open position. I think that worked out really well. I originally planned on gluing it, but I wanted something a little bit different so I can display it in the open or closed position. And the magnet just holds it in place. If I want to open it, let it swing out, and then attach it to the side. Oops, there you go. Gives you a glimpse of the little sheet metal circles that I used to help hold the door in place. Just pops right in. Just enough to hold the door on. One more look on how it's all coming together. snaps right in place. So line it up and it'll hold all by itself. You can sit on the shelf and look good. Again, looking at the back, see if I get a view of those magnets, little small 1/8" magnets that I glued to the inside. Okay, another spin around and look. Here's my custom front license plate with and Bushnell on it for Nolan in 1977, the founding of Chuck E. Cheese, and the 1977 van that we see here. I also did it in the Atari Pong colors for the original cabinet for the video game, the yellow and black. Just a little small tribute there. Look at some of the details on the steering wheel. Can't really see much, but it's there. The captain swivel chairs, I glued those in place. I kept having a problem with them falling out, so I just opted not to have them swivel. But no, if you buy the Coca-Cola kit, those chairs will swivel. So here's a final review on the turntable, so we get a good look at all the sides. This was just a fun build. It brings back some great memories that I've shared with my children and myself and my wife, going and visiting different Chuck E. Cheese around the nation. So it might seem kind of weird to people, but if you grew up on Chuck E. Cheese, you'll understand it's a place where a kid can be a kid. So here's again a look at the inside with the characters. I want to thank Mike and Rob for putting on this Under 1000 group build. I enjoyed being part of it, and I'm enjoying going to each channel and subscribing and looking at other modelers' entry into this group build. So if you haven't, please take time to subscribe to my channel and any other Under 1000 group build modelers that are doing this.
Got an idea how to make Chuck E. Cheese's better than ever. Brand new pizza. Genius if I do say so myself. Popping with new natural toppings. All with lots of sauces and plenty of cheese. So while you're having fun rolling and winning, jumping and spinning, and laughing and grinning, we're in the kitchen making the best pizza in town. Chuck E. Cheese's is better than ever. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and blessed day.